Have you ever taken down braids and felt like you lost too much hair? It can be really frustrating, especially after months of trying to grow your hair. I'm taking down my 3-month-old braids and I will show you the gentle method I use to protect my hair and keep the length I have been growing. Hi beautiful people, welcome back. If you love simple natural hair care, protective styles and easy DIY treatments that help your hair grow strong and healthy, you are definitely in the right place. So I make sure each braid is moisturized before losing. You can use a water-based moisturizer, butter or oil, whichever works best for you. This makes the process easier and prevents breakage. I start from the ends of the braid and slowly loosen it with a needle and my fingers. So these braids has been in for about 3 months now. Honestly, they have been really very helpful for my hair. Protective styles like this can really give your hair a break from daily styling. For me, it saved me a lot of time because I didn't have to style my hair every day. About 5 weeks after installing them, I refreshed some parts because I had a special day to attend and I wanted my hair to look fresh again. After removing each braid, I gently separate and finger the tangled out section of hair. Doing this step by step helps prevent knots and makes wash day much easier later. Now that I'm taking them down, I'm going very slowly. I like to remove a few braids at a time so I don't get tired. I also have to be very gentle because I don't want to lose the hair I have been growing for months. When you rush braid takedown, it's very easy to pull or snap your hair without even realizing it. I remember one time in the past when I removed my braid too quickly because I wanted to finish everything in one day. I got tired. At the end of the day, my hair felt very tangled and I realized I had lost more hair than I expected. That experience taught me something important. Healthy hair care is not about rushing it. It's about patience and consistency. So since then, whenever I take down my braids, I always remind myself to slow down. Even if it takes me days or weeks, the goal is to retain the hair I've been growing. was taking down my braids, in order to prevent tangling, I decided to braid the parts I had already loosened in bigger sections as I went along. When I got to the ends, I decided to try something different. I used a small piece of Brazilian wool to secure the ends and help protect them while I continued taking down the rest of the braids. This was actually my first time using an extension to protect the ends of my natural hair. It worked too. It really worked, honestly. But personally, I think I prefer the natural feel of just using my own hair. I really love the feeling when my natural hair is free and the feeling of this is my natural hair with no added extensions. So that's why I will probably stick to the natural method instead of using any extension at the ends of my hair again. You might also notice some shade hair while removing braids. Don't worry, that is completely normal. Our hair shades every day, but when your hair is in a braid, those strands stay trapped inside the braids until you remove it. So when you see hair coming out during the takedown, it doesn't mean your hair is breaking. Most of the time, it's just normal shading that's collected over time. Another thing that really helped my hair during these 3 months are the simple DIY treatments I have been using while wearing these braids. I don't just leave my hair alone. I still made sure my hair was moisturized and cared for. I use homemade oils, simple moisturizing sprays with leave-in conditioner or butter on my scalp and braids. This helps strengthen my hair, keep it soft and prevented dryness. If you truly understand the benefits of DIY treatments, you won't skip them. One thing I really love about DIY hair care is that nature has given us so many simple and natural ingredients that can help take care of our hair. Sometimes we think we always need expensive products, but many of the things our hair needs can actually come from natural ingredients. What I like the most is that when I use DIYs, I know exactly what I'm putting in my hair. It feels more natural, gentle and safe for my hair. One thing I have learned in my hair journey is that healthy hair takes time. It's not about doing everything perfectly. It's about being consistent with small habits that protect and nourish your hair. Protective styles, gentle handling, and simple DIY care can go a long way in keeping your hair strong and helping it retain length. So if you're also wearing braids right now, remember to take care of your hair while the style is in. And when it's time to take them down, don't rush the process. Even if it takes you days, weeks, don't rush the process, honestly. Because when you decide to take your hair down in a day, trust me, you will get tired, you'll be very impatient and you start breaking your hair without you realizing it. Be patient with your hair, enjoy the process and celebrate every small improvement. Your hair is growing. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. I share simple DIY treatments, natural hair care tips and protective style routine to help you take better care of your hair for healthy growth. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you all in my next video. Bye.